I'm in my happy place. Hey, what's up guys? It's me, Merzy. Welcome to my corner. Today I have a I'm always gonna say it's a different sort of video, but today I will be doing a taste test. So a couple days ago, the JapanFunBox arrived. The company emailed me a while back saying, hey, do you want to review your products for your blog? And I was like, hells yeah. It arrived a couple days ago and it took all of my willpower to not completely eat it and try it for the first time with you guys. Here we go. The first one here is open because I don't have a lot of willpower at all. But I did save a bag for me to taste for you guys. It's so good that I honestly couldn't. I couldn't. It's so good. Tomato pretz. Yeah. It's tomato sticks. So good. It kind of tastes like pizza sticks. I really like it. I could just sit here and eat it. Like, there's not a lot left. So, next one. I'm gonna go with these. Is it kind of like a dinosaur? I'm gonna try this, because this I was very curious about. Let me just show it to you guys. Is it focusing? Hopefully it is. This is Chuwabo. A long soft candy with bubbly powder on the inside. It's working. The orange flavor and the lemon flavored soft candy combined inside your mouth mysteriously creates a Coke flavor. I'm not convinced about that, but let's try it. So far, ooh. It's like a cheese! It's a cheese! What? I was imagining like, I don't know what I was imagining, but this wasn't it. It smells weird. It smells like Lush. It does though. It smells like a... Oh my god, it smells so good. I want to bathe in this smell. It legitimately smells like a bath bomb. No, wait. I don't know what this smells like. I'm really nervous to eat it. It's hard candy. Oh fuck! It's so sour. Oh my god. I'm so sorry for the chewing noises, but it's really hard to chew. I don't know if it tastes like Coke. It's like super sweet but super sour. Lemon Starburst. You know what I mean? Like, this is not what I expected at all. But it was an adventure flavor. I'm just gonna stick with the tomato sticks because they're the best. They're definitely the best. Anyway, let me know if you enjoyed this video thing. What other subscription boxes of food do you guys subscribe to and want me to try on camera? Also, leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Anyway, subscribe because there will definitely be more very soon. And I'll see you guys later. Bye!